Volume, formula. Cube and cuboid. You are familiar with many solid shapes in day-to-day life. A compass box, a duster, a book, a brick, a cupboard have similar shapes. These shapes are called cuboids. A cuboid has length, breadth, and height. When a cuboid has equal length, breadth, and height, it's called a cube. Standard unit of volume. To measure the volume of any shape, a standard unit is needed. In the cube given alongside, length is equal to 1 centimeter, breadth is equal to 1 centimeter, height is equal to 1 centimeter. The space occupied by this cube is called 1 cubic centimeter. In the cube given alongside, length is equal to 1 meter, breadth is equal to 1 meter, height is equal to 1 meter. The space occupied by this cube is called 1 cubic meter. Thus, cubic centimeter and cubic meter are standard units for measuring volume. The formula is simple and all you have to do is multiply the length, breadth and height. But be careful about one thing. All three dimensions should have the same units. You can't have 2 in meters and 1 in centimeter or anything like that. All must be the same. Volume by counting cubes. Let's take a cubical container of side 2 centimeters and some cubes of side 1 centimeter. Now, we fill up the container with these unit cubes, that is, cubes of side 1 centimeter. Let's start with yellow cubes. First, put 1 cube, then second, third, and then fourth. We could put only 4 cubes. So the base is filled up. We can say this is the first layer of yellow cubes. Let's start with pink cubes and see whether we can put 4 cubes again. First, second, third and fourth. That's great. We could put 4 more cubes on the second layer. Let the remaining 1 cube be as it is. 8 cubes fill up the entire bigger cube. Thus, the volume of the cubical container is 8 cubic centimeters. Now, let us try to find the volume by counting cubes. Side of a cube is equal to 1 centimeter. Cubes in layer 1, 4. Cubes in layer 2, 4. Total cubes, 8. Therefore, volume is equal to 8 cubic centimeters. Side of a cube is equal to 1 centimeter. Cubes in layer 1, 6. Cubes in layer 2, 6. Total cubes, 12. Therefore, volume is equal to 12 cubic centimeters. Side of a cube is equal to 1 meter. Cubes in layer 1, 6. Cubes in layer 2, 6. Cubes in layer 3, 6. Cubes in layer 4, 6. Total cubes is equal to 24. Therefore, volume is equal to 24 cubic meters. Let's find out the formula for finding out volume of a cube. Step 1. Take 4 cubes of side equal to 1 centimeter. Step 2. Place them like this. Step 3. Place 4 more similar cubes on top of the first 4. Now we have a new cube with each side of 2 centimeters. How many cubes of side 1 centimeter each are used in making the new cube? 8. If volume of one cube is 1 cubic centimeter, what will be the volume of the new cube? 8 into 1 is equal to 8 cubic centimeters. Note that 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 is also equal to 8. Let's repeat the activity by taking 9 cubes of 1 cc volume. Arrange them as shown in the figure. Place 9 more cubes on top of these cubes. Place 9 more cubes on top of these cubes. What's the length of sides of the new cube? 3 centimeters. How many cubes of side 1 centimeter each are used in making the new cube? 27. If volume of one cube is 1 cc, what will be the volume of the new cube? 27 into 1 is equal to 27 cubic centimeters. Note that 3 into 3 into 3 is also equal to 27. From the above two examples, we can conclude that volume of a cube is equal to side into side into side, or volume of a cube is equal to side cube. If the side of a cube is represented by L, its volume will be volume is equal to length cube. Let's try to find the volume of a cube when side is given. Side is equal to 2 meters. Volume is equal to side cube. Volume is equal to 2 cube. That is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. That is equal to 8. Therefore, volume is equal to 8 cubic meters. Side is equal to 5 centimeters. Volume is equal to side cube. Volume is equal to 5 cube. That is equal to 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 125. Therefore, volume is equal to 125 cubic centimeters. Now let's try to find the formula for finding out volume of a cuboid. Step 1. Take 8 cubes of side equal to 1 centimeter. Step 2. Place them as shown in the figure. Step 3. Place 2 rows of 8 cubes each top of the first 8. Now these cubes make a cuboid. Length of this cuboid is 4 centimeters. Breadth of this cuboid is 2 centimeters. Height of this cuboid is 3 centimeters. Since this cuboid consists of 24 cubes of 1 cc, volume of cuboid is equal to 24 cc. Note that 24 is equal to 4 into 3 into 2. Here, 4 is the length, 3 is the height and 2 is the breadth. So we can say that 24 is equal to length into height into breadth. Number of cubes in each layer is length into breadth. Number of layers is height. Therefore, volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Formula for finding out volume of a cuboid. Volume of a cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. Length into breadth is equal to area of base. Volume of a cuboid is equal to area of base into height. Volume by using formula. Side of a cube is equal to 1 centimeter. Therefore, volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Therefore, volume is equal to 4 into 3 into 2 is equal to 24 cubic centimeters. Volume by using formula. Side of a cube is equal to 1 meter. Therefore, volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Therefore, volume is equal to 4 into 3 into 5 is equal to 60 cubic meters. Remember, a cuboid has length, breadth and height. Volume of a cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. When a cuboid has equal length, breadth and height, it's called a cube. Volume of a cube is equal to side cube. Did you understand how to find the volume of a cube and cuboid using the formula? Yeah.